Framer image not loading? Yeah, that can make your whole site look broken, but don't worry, this is usually an easy fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast. Alright, first, make sure your image is actually uploaded properly. I mean, sometimes the file fails to upload without you noticing. Next, check the image link or source. If the URL is broken or incorrect, your image won't load. Now, republish your site. Yeah, sometimes images don't show up live until you publish again, okay? Make sure your image format is supported. Use formats like JPEG, PNG, or WebP for best results. If your image file is too large, it might not load properly. I mean, try compressing it or using a smaller size. Next, clear your browser cache and refresh the page. Yeah, you might just be seeing an old version. If you're using an external image link, make sure it's public. Private or restricted images won't load. And yeah, test your site on another browser or device. This helps confirm if the issue is local. So yeah, that's how you fix images not loading in Framer. One of these should get your visuals back instantly. If this helped, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.